This is the 2018 Goodman 4-ton running in the rain. Been meaning to make a video of this thing running in the rain for a while because I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do it, like Andrew. It's pretty good. My phone's getting very wet. You can see here as it just reflects off there. You can't really tell how good of air it's putting out because it's, you know, putting out cool air since it's sort of the rain sort of makes it like an evaporative cooler. So yeah, it's starting to rain much harder. I'm getting soaked and I'm out.